Hello, my name is Sunbum Kim. I will present our work, Virtual Trackball on VR Controller. Rotating a 3D object is an essential operation in virtual reality. However, it can be challenging with a current VR controller. Users must repeatedly move their arms and wrists to rotate an object. In this study, we considered utilizing a trackpad for an efficient rotation method. We implemented two types of virtual trackballs and investigated their effect. One virtual trackball method implemented in this study is Shoemaker's arcball. The arcball maps the touch points on the trackpad to a 3D sphere and determines the rotation quaternion with the mapped points. The other virtual trackball method is the two-axis valuator. This technique maps the vertical and horizontal movements on the trackpad to rotation about the vertical and horizontal axis respectively. We conducted a user study to compare the three rotation techniques. The task was a 6 degree of freedom docking task using a chair or dice object. The two shapes have distinct features. These are demo videos for the task. Our findings suggest that a VR controller with the arcball was more effective than a regular VR controller for rotating tasks. Both virtual trackball techniques significantly decreased wrist and arm movement. Participants preferred the arcball the most overall. We believe that utilizing a virtual trackball with a VR controller has the potential for various applications. One possible interaction is a combination with raycasting. It allows distant objects to be selected with raycasting and rotated with a virtual trackball.